Because understand, it is bipartisan. Overwhelmingly, people want this help. People understand that we need it to get through these next couple of months. And what I got to tell you, what I find really refreshing is that Joe Biden and the Democrats are saying we want to try. We're gonna reach out. We're gonna put out the olive branch. We're gonna put out the open hand. But what we're not gonna let you do is snatch the olive branch out of our hand and beat us with it. And I think that's a good thing. Biden said that if I have to choose between getting help right now to Americans who are hurting so badly and getting bogged down in lengthy negotiation or compromising on a bill, that's an easy choice. I'm going to help the American people who are hurting, and that is the frame. That is the right answer. And I'm thrilled to finally see that he's learned the lessons of the Obama era. And I said this at the beginning. One of my fears is because everyone kept saying, this is going to be Obama 3.0. Oh, no, it's not. This is the decider guy. This is a guy who came in on day one and said, you gone, and you follow him too. A bunch of people have been shown the door. Hundreds. And look, these were political appointee jobs. These were the patronage jobs. And they all go. Day one. No hanging out. No waiting around. Thanks. Good luck. Goodbye.